Okay, so I have a mixture of cheeses. I have this one is Cathedral mature cheddar. I'll put Cathedral mature cheddar in. I've also put some mozzarella, shredded mozzarella in here. And I'm going to put some red Leicester. Also, you can have any cheese you want or any combination. These are the ones I like. So let me grate some of this. Lovely mixture of cheeses, makes it really nice and creamy. Depending on how dewy you want it or creamy, it's how much cheese you put in. Mac and cheese. And I'm going to make the sauce. Okay, I think that should be alright for now. Just mix them up a little bit. I'm just going to slice it thinly. Going to add it in there as well. Cheese world. So the cheese is ready. Nice and ready. So let's make the sauce. First things first, one tablespoon of butter. We're making the sauce. You must whisk it. This is the sauce for the macaroni. 1 tablespoon of butter, and then we add 1 tablespoon of flour, and we whisk it. And then we can add your milk. After you add the milk and it's smooth, I've turned the heat to medium as it needs to cook. And then I add more milk. And we cook this. And then we add some cheese. Just keep gas mark 6. We'll cook it until this gets thick. Okay? Keep whisking it. And I'm going to further season it. I'm going to put one drop in 1 garlic in there. If you have some garlic powder, you can put garlic powder, but I'm using a fresh garlic. I just want the flavor. and I will be taking it out before I put the macaroni in. At this point, you have to let this get hot. You have to let this get hot, and then we'll put the cheese in, yeah? But now, ready for the macaroni to go in. So I'm going to put like 4 cups of macaroni in here, okay? Macaroni is in. Just let that cook for 4 to 5 minutes, and we'll drain that and prepare it to go in. So as I keep stirring it, it's hot enough for me to put in the cheese. Okay, and I'm going to remove my 1 garlic. And then we're going to put in the cheese. You have to make some more cheese also to go on the top afterwards. Then you start whisk it to melt the cheese. And then I'm going to season it with a little bit of all-purpose season. A little bit of paprika. A little bit of my homemade seasoning. And some Maggi cube, or any season that you want to use to season it. Okay. And get the flavors in there. See, lovely, gooey. And here's the sauce for the mac. Ready to go. You see how the mac is doing? Okay, so my macaroni is ready. This macaroni, I'm going to put some butter in there, which helps it to stay soft. Mix that up, and then we can mix the gravy sauce in there. I say gravy. Mix my sauce. Okay, so that's my, it's not fully cooked, so that when it's baking it can finish cooking. So let's get the and pour it in. Make sure I don't put too much sauce in there. There you go. And then I'm going to layer it with cheese. See cheese? I'm going to layer it with cheese. Okay, let's do that now. Mix them up a bit so that the flavor is mixed. And there we are, ready. Ready to go in the oven, and then for 30 minutes, and then you let it hang cooling for 10 minutes. It's ready. Piping hot mac and cheese. Nice, crispy. We just let that sit for a while, cool down a bit, and then we serve it up. Live from Vibes TV. Like, share, and subscribe. Mac and cheese.